Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight in virtual reality, even though it lacks official support. While the developers haven't integrated VR directly, dedicated community members have crafted ingenious ways to bring the game into a three-dimensional space. This process involves a few technical adjustments to your game files and settings. It's a unique way to experience the horror, offering a fresh perspective on the familiar trials and chases. Get ready to dive into the fog like never before. To begin your VR journey in Dead by Daylight, the first crucial step is to downgrade your game to an older, compatible version. This ensures the mods will function correctly. Next, you'll typically need to join a community-run private server, as official servers often block these modifications. Finally, install essential mods that enable a first-person camera perspective, which is vital for any virtual reality experience. These steps lay the groundwork for your immersive. For those with Intel-based MacBooks, Apple's Boot Camp Assistant offers a direct solution. This utility allows you to install a full version of Windows on a separate partition of your hard drive. This creates a native Windows environment, enabling you to install and play Dead by Daylight just as you would on a PC. Ensure you have at least 64 gigabytes of free storage available for the Windows installation. It's important to remember that this virtual reality experience is unofficial and may not be perfectly optimized. You might encounter visual glitches, unexpected behaviors, or performance drops, as the game wasn't designed for VR. Additionally, using third-party modifications can sometimes lead to account issues, so proceed with caution and awareness of the risks involved. Despite these challenges, many find the immersive horror of Dead by Daylight in VR to be a thrilling and unique adventure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.